Happy to see you today. Today is Wednesday, out of the days of the week, where we're going to talk about the short vowels on today. One thing we want to know is, out of all the alphabets, the long and short vowels. The short vowels will say the sound of the letters. So A will be antelope. Antelope. E will be for elephant. Elephant. I will be inchworm. Then we go over here to O. O will be ostrich. You will say the U sound. And umbrella bird. And then we have Y. Y will says y for yak. Yak. Okay? You think you can say the short sounds of the letter vowels A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Good job, boys and girls.